Hello, I am Alvin Toffler, a futurist who spent much of my life examining the sweeping forces of change that shape humanity. You may know me from my book, The Third Wave, where I outlined the massive societal shifts brought by the agricultural, industrial, and information revolutions. But today, we are on the brink of a fourth wave, a wave driven by industrial automation and artificial intelligence, and I must urge you to prepare. Let me start with a quote from The Third Wave. Society needs people who take care of the past, but it also needs those who can imagine the future. When I wrote this in 1980, I was describing the monumental transition from the industrial age to the information age. Back then, we were leaving behind the centralized factories and rigid hierarchies of the second wave and stepping into a decentralized world where knowledge and technology ruled. It was disruptive, yes, but it also created opportunities, new industries, new jobs, and a more connected world. However, this shift also caused massive dislocation for those unprepared, leading to economic inequality and political unrest. The lessons from that transition are more important than ever because the fourth wave is coming, and it is arriving faster than many of you expect. This wave is driven by automation, robotics, and artificial intelligence. Machines are not only replacing physical labor, but cognitive labor as well. Entire industries are being reshaped. Transportation, healthcare, manufacturing, education, and the disruption will touch every corner of society. Now, how does this apply to today? The challenges of the fourth wave will make the disruptions of the past look tame by comparison. Automation and AI promise incredible productivity and innovation, but they also threaten to deepen inequality if we don't act now. Jobs once considered secure, lawyers, teachers, even artists, are being redefined. Conspiracy theories, fake news, and polarized narratives dominate social media, and many cling to falsehoods simply because they're unwilling to unlearn their biases. The inability to question what we believe, to discard what no longer serves us, is the new illiteracy. In the political and social arenas, this resistance to relearning has paralyzed progress. We see people entrenched in ideologies, refusing to adapt even in the face of overwhelming evidence. The result? Division, stagnation, and the erosion of trust in institutions that should be guiding us through these turbulent times. But the solution lies in the power of flexibility. To truly navigate the 21st century, we must cultivate the courage to challenge our own assumptions. Whether it's learning a new technology, questioning outdated beliefs, or confronting misinformation, the ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn is the survival skill of our age. Remember, adaptation is not just about personal growth. It's about societal resilience. The faster we embrace this mindset, the better equipped we'll be to tackle the challenges of climate change, economic upheaval, and the ongoing information war that seeks to divide us. If you want to explore how the battle for truth and adaptability plays out in today's world, visit information-warfare.com. The ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn isn't just an individual skill. It's the foundation of a society capable of facing the future with confidence.